Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you about land value theory and economic theory. I mean the relationship between land value theory and economic theory. Do you know what is economic theory? I think you guys definitely have heard before this because I think you guys have learned it. When it comes to the economic theory, what comes to our mind? For me, the word comes to my mind is scarcity because the resources are limited. So, this is a theory about how people make choices to use limited resources. In real estate, it helps us to understand why and how property values are changed and how people decide to buy or sell or rent the properties. And now let's move to the land value theory. This is really focused on what makes land valuable. I mean the main point that we have to talk about in land value theory is location. Location is like the heart of the land value theory because location is the most important thing when we decide the value of a land. Okay, now I have already told you about both theories, it means land value theory and economic theory. So now I'm going to tell you about that how how they relate, the relationship between them.
Okay, when it comes to the supply and demand, just like any product, the availability of land and people's desire to own it and determine its prices.
Okay, let's take as example Colombo City. The lands in Colombo City are very expensive, comparatively high. Why is that? When you think why is that, there are so many reasons. Because Colombo City has so many accesses. There is airport, there is harbor, and all the head offices are situated in Colombo. There are so many shops, there are so many commercial buildings, there are apartments, so many facilities are available. Road facilities are also good. Like that, so many facilities are available in Colombo City, and there are so many accesses. That's why Colombo City lands have higher value. So when we talk about the location is like the heart of the land value theory because the location is the most important thing that we have to talk in location theory. It's like a key part of land values. They helps to see why the certain locations are more desirable and more valuable. This can be due to the closeness to the jobs, goods, schools, or other amenities that I have told you before. Understanding these two theories helps investors to make better choices. The better investment. They can predict which land become more valuable and they can decide where to be invested.